Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka Meghalaya Football Association kalapalat ya ka sharp ni ka logo but ka trophy ni ka benta ka Meghalaya State League ka balay ya ka balat muban sedang na do ka khanar tarik ujemang menta usnem ya ka ni la penlong ha ka program ka balalong ha State Convention Center Shillong ha ka arpo 100 tarik ya yong ha ka balay don ang president uba Larsing Ming Sawian but kumjuru joint secretary uba Dipshon Rentatiang kidikot ka MFA Kinong mi kmat na kisunjuk ilai kai ba pair ki captain na kikinhon ilai kai bat kiway. Yakin ni lempung on penlong ha ki south li ki Jaka kata ha Shillong Tura Joai bat ha mau kerwan. Kat ba ye ka jingi kon final on penlong ha kanong ba Shillong. Ha ni lempung ki dan hado ar pusandali ki kinhon ki banya simbenta na kisunjuk ilai kai ba pair ki bala penya so sha ka MFA. Kinhon ki banya kun nengkong ha ka sngiple kinlong ha padeng Karang Jade United Football Club Persyaya ka Nyawasa Football Club kata ha khat artri ujemang arjar arpulai hajuai kelado ha gini gelempungkan yo ya ka song pisa ka basan lak tingka kat ba ka kinhun ka bawan ba arpat kan yo lai lak tingka ha gini ka sngila player ya ka website jong ka Meghalaya Football Association do president jong ka MFA.
Okay.
For various reasons, like safety issues did not permit us. But then we are here launching this in a better manner, in the form of having more teams this time, so we're having more games. A little bit before launching of the website, under the MSL, there are going to be various tournaments at the local level. That will be part and parcel of this, and this is where it will be well documented, and all those tournaments of various age groups will be uploaded. MSL.
Next year, we request all the district football associations that yes, MFA is trying its best to discuss with government and see what we can do to work together. But regardless of this initiative, I request you that if you want to develop football in your districts, if you want to take football to the next level, please start with the baby leagues. Then we will see a difference in the next decade to come. Then we will see the real potential of Meghalaya blossoming in the years to come. So this is the vision that we have, and with this vision, the next MSL will not only be about senior teams and professional teams playing, it will have the youth leagues involved. It will be, MSL will also be for youth leagues, and MSL will also be for grassroots. And also in these 2-3 decades of MFA's existence, we have been concentrating on football, men's, boys. And we have not taken much, I must admit publicly here, enough of an effort to encourage women's football. So this is the second vision that we have, that going forward, we are trying to lay the foundations from this year onwards to also comprehensively start putting one hand of our developmental initiatives towards building up women's football. Because we are right and aware that at least in women's football, India ranks amongst the top 50 in the world. In men's, we're still around 100, 105. So the chances of India playing the World Cup at the senior level is higher with the women's. So I think there, Meghalaya needs to work harder and also promote and contribute to the development of the women's national team. So therefore, next year onwards, objective, or let's say the seeds of thought have been laid this year. Discussions are on, and this discussion is not only about a president, a secretary, or an executive body of the MFA talking with government, sponsors, and everyone. This has to be an exercise which every district football association must also take that responsibility to promote. We must look at football with a larger vision going forward, and we need to see women's footballers also playing in the national team. In the last 10 to 15 years, we've seen men's boys, our boys playing in the national team. Then we had Eugene Sen, who happens to be the second player after Sunil Chhetri to earn 1 crore in one single season. So yes, and things are happening. The under 20 under 20 national team captain is also from Meghalaya, as you know. Thailand know to do. So things are also happening at least in men's, but we need to make that also happen in women's. So that is the new vision of the MSL. And so with this, we have also decided to change our logo to represent and to depict this vision that we have, which is at the base of development is the grassroots. So we can look at the 3 foundations below as being grassroots, youth development, and senior. And these foundations will take football forward.
This is the time right now, say. This is the time right now, say. He lies awake, hours fade, but his dream is so alive. Talks to God, walks in faith to achieve the star he is.